Gavin Gu here from Ultimate Reloader for Frankfurt Arsenal. In this video, I'm going to talk all about charging your rifle cases. Depending on your required level of precision and the equipment that you have on, there are multiple great ways to charge your rifle cases. If you're loading high volume ammunition like 223 or 5.56, for example, you might want to use a progressive reloading press that would have a case activated powder measure. If you want to step up your game and get more precise for long range precision ammunition like the 6.5 Creedmoor that we're loading here, you're going to want a more accurate powder measuring and dispensing solution. Two great options come to mind. There are fully automatic systems like the Frankfurt Arsenal IntelliDropper where you just type in the required charge weight and it does everything for you. It might take a little bit longer to use a system like that, but the result is well worth the wait. This is another great option, which is a mechanical powder measure that's going to dump the bulk charge, and then to use a trickler that allows us to get right up to about 1/10 of a grain of the desired charge weight. Before we get into the precision powder charging process, let me walk through what I've got set up here. First and foremost, we need to make sure we have good load data. I'm reusing some load data from a prior loading session that has worked out well for me. We've got our powder. Here I'm using Hodgdon H4350, works great for the 6.5 Creedmoor. We've got a precision rotating drum powder measure that's gonna drop the bulk charge. I've got a digital scale with 0.1 grain accuracy. We've got a powder trickler that's gonna help get that powder charge trickled up to the appropriate charge weight. And we've got a funnel. This is a part of a funnel kit that has different funnel inserts for different calibers. And then we've got a loading block with our cases. The cases have been sized and deprimed, they've been reprimed, and now they're ready for charging. So I've already filled the powder measure with powder, I've filled the powder trickler with powder, we've got the pan on the scale is turned on and it's zeroed with just the pan on the scale. I also set the charge weight to approximately 1 grain below the charge weight we're targeting here, which is 40.0 grains. So each time I'm going to dispense a powder charge, I'm going to put it on the scale, and we'll see where we're at. We're at 39.4. This is great. We only need to trickle up 0.6. There we go, 40.0 on the dot. Now I'm going to take the pan and the funnel over the case mouth, and then dispense the charge into the case. That's the process. Now I'm going to do that 9 more times. Well, there we go. All of our cases are charged, and that means we're ready to move on to bullet seating and optionally bullet crimping. To check out the rest of the videos in this series, go to frankfurtarsenal.com/arsenal.